Hot off the press, the 2021 Incident Prevention Media Kit. We're proud of what we have to offer for 2021. We will continue to provide quality editorial to the utility safety decision makers. We print and mail to 18,000 in the United States and Canada. In addition to print, we also pride ourselves on providing some excellent digital products. We have not one but two monthly e-newsletters, one entitled Tailgate Topics and the other one entitled New Products. And if you want to go the extra mile for additional impact, consider our sponsorship program, where your logo is positioned right in the header that says this month's e-newsletter brought to you by your company's logo and its link. It also guarantees you the first banner position on the e-newsletter. Plus, we have excellent opportunities on our incident prevention website. And we're more than just a media company. We also offer the industry's credentialing program called CUSP. We also offer training such as Frontline and IPI Online. We also have our Incident Prevention Utility Safety Conference, which is the only event that's 100% dedicated to utility safety. So give us a call so that we can set up a custom media package for you for 2021.